Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are testing out the first glass screen protector for the Galaxy S9, and this is the Whitestone dome glass. Now, this is a really cool screen protector. One, it's supposed to be very easy to install, which if you know this channel, you know I'm notoriously bad at installing these, so this should be a really good one. But it offers full coverage, really good clarity, and really good touch. Now, there is a feature to enable on the smartphone to get better touchscreen capability, so I'll make sure to let you guys know that. There's a settings basically that's specifically made for screen protectors on your phone. So I'll go over that at the end. But basically, this is supposed to be a really good, simple installation and bubble-free, which again, if you know me, is a challenge for me. So we're gonna test it out and first unbox it and then put it on. So let's go ahead and check this out. And where to do it from? Let's go from the bottom. I see, these are really tied up, so the adhesive is very strong. So let me just do it the not so fancy way. All right, why do we have a... I am immediately curious because we actually have... Okay, so I saw it said adhesive curving by UV light right here. I did not know we literally get like a little UV light to make sure that this really doesn't have bubbles. That is insane. Wow. You have never seen a glass screen protector like this, or at least I haven't. So that is pretty cool. You could have told me all the things to expect in a screen protector and I would have not expected this one. So yeah. So I'm gonna put it like this over the phone. Interesting. All right. So I'll have to read up on the instructions because I have to operate machinery here. So this is all the stuff to wash it off and clean it, looks like. And then, man, there is markers, there is all this kind of stuff. And there is this full setup. And here's the actual screen protector. I don't want to take it out of there, but the actual screen protector is right here. So yeah, let me go ahead, read the instructions, set it all up, and see how it turns out. All right, guys, we have set it up and it looks phenomenal. This thing, it looks so good on how it is. Now, you can see some adhesive on here. So I will link the video. It is with this QR code scanner that comes in the box, but this is a process. But I will say this is the best glass screen protector I've ever seen because it has the adhesive throughout the entire screen instead of just the edges, which almost every single glass screen protector I've ever seen has it. So that's really cool. And I guess it's their technology for it, but dome glass is awesome for protecting it. And like, this does not look like it's coming off at all in terms of it. Now let's test it out with the case, see how good it really is, right? The case is always the hard part. So let's put it inside of a case and see just how it does. And we're good. So let me see right here. It is basically exactly where the case is. Almost no part of it is undone, which is really nice. So yeah, guys, my phone is now fully protected. It looks awesome. And yeah, I'm gonna turn it back on. And so the biggest part is to go under advanced features. And once you do go under advanced features, under settings, you're going to go to the very bottom, and that will allow you to have your touchscreen sensitivity heightened because you have a glass screen protector on there. So let me go over that. So we're gonna go into settings, advanced features, all the way to the bottom. And right here, increase touch sensitivity. So that's the part you're gonna turn on now that you have a screen protector. And it feels great. Like I honestly wouldn't even notice I had a screen protector on, which is great because as I said last year, the Note 8 and the SA Plus, the iPhone X, the Pixel XL really got scratched a lot more easily than in past years. So having a glass screen protector is really important, but having one that stays on is even more important. I am in full support of this. Really, honestly, I did not expect this kind of setup, but hey, if it works, it works. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. This is a glass screen protector I do recommend. This was not a sponsored video, but I am surprised by how good this is. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.